Welcome to the lesson on basic constructions.
Hi, I'm a very important tool in your geometry box. You must be familiar with basic geometrical figures like points, line segments, lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, circles, triangles, and so on. To draw these figures, you will need me and some other tools from your geometry box. Here, we'll see the use of these tools. First, I'll introduce you to the tools in your geometry box. Let's begin with ruler. Commonly, it is called a scale. The ruler is the most essential tool in geometry. This tool is used in almost all constructions. Usually, it has a flat surface with 4 straight edges. It has small divisions of centimeters on one long edge. The divisions are marked 0, 1, 2, and so on. Similarly, the other long edge is divided into inches and marked 0, 1, 2, and so on. Generally, in geometry, we measure the lengths in centimeters or meters. So, we'll take the 0 centimeter of the ruler as the reference. The main uses of a ruler are measuring the lengths of line segments and drawing line segments. Next, another important tool in your geometry box is the compass. It is also called as a pair of compasses. It has 2 ends. One end holds a pointer, while the other end holds a pencil. The basic use of this tool is to mark off equal lengths, like a ruler. However, ideally, a compass is not used to measure lengths. The other uses of a compass are to draw arcs and circles. The required length can be set by adjusting its 2 ends. The divider is yet another important tool in your geometry box. It is similar to a compass, but it has a pair of pointer ends. It is used to compare the lengths of line segments. Why do we need a divider to compare the lengths of line segments when we can use the ruler for the same purpose? We can compare the lengths of line segments with the help of a ruler. However, comparing the lengths with a ruler may not give exact readings. Generally, this type of error is called a positioning error. Thus, to avoid these errors, it is advised to use a divider. These instruments always come with a pair of triangular tools. These are called set squares. As you see here, one of the set squares is an isosceles triangle, while the other one is a scalene triangle. Note that both of them have right angles at one corner. The set square, that is an isosceles triangle, has 2 angles measuring 45 degrees each. The set square, that is a scalene triangle, has 2 angles measuring 30 degrees and 60 degrees. The two perpendicular sides of each set square are graduated into centimeters. These tools are used to draw perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Lastly, this is an angle measuring tool, which is called protractor. It is semicircular in shape. The center of the semicircle is called the center point or midpoint of the protractor. This point is always considered as the reference point for a protractor. As you see here, it has a plain edge and a curved edge. The horizontal line is called the straight edge or baseline of the protractor. The curved edge of the protractor is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1 degree. The parts are marked from 0 degree to 180 degrees in both the directions. A protractor is used to measure and draw angles varying from 0 degree to 180 degrees. Here are some